Hi, dear students. Welcome to the sixth session on English online tutorial with me, Dr. Risa Mufliarsi MPD, as your tutor. So this week, you are going to learn about cover letters and curriculum vitae. So you can find this week's topics in Module 7, which consists of 2 learning activities. So by the end of the week, you are expected to be able to write a cover letter in English and identify the parts of curriculum vitae. So please study the materials in enrichment on the links below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum 6 and submit the assignment 2 if you haven't. Good luck, class.